Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can fix. To manage the windows inside the program, you will need to turn on optional diagnostic data. So when this happens, what you need to do is pretty straightforward. Go to bottom, next to the search you're gonna see start button, right click on a start button, and under task manager you're gonna see settings. Click on a settings, and then you're gonna see under accessibility, privacy and security. Then you need to go under inking, diagnostics and feedback. And then when you're gonna click on diagnostics and feedback, you want to turn off or turn on the optional diagnostic data. So that's pretty much it how we do it. And yep, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.